Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you guys today?
I'm good.
Have you had your breakfast?
Yes.
Why no, Shami? Okay, never mind. So before I start my lesson, I'm gonna ask you: does anyone know anything about the galaxy? What's outside of the Earth, the universe? Does anyone know anything?
Solar system.
Okay, what is solar system?
A lot of planets.
Okay. What else? In the solar system, does anybody land in the solar system?
Astronaut.
Yeah, astronaut. Okay, now, can anyone tell me who is this? No? Okay, this guy is an astronaut. His name is Alan Shepard. He is the first American astronaut that arrived at the space in only just 23 days. So he's the fastest astronaut that arrived on the space only on 23 days.
Alan Shepard.
Yes, Alan Shepard. Okay, now, who is this? This handsome man. Okay, who is Shim Zafar?
Malaysian astronaut.
Yes, the first Malaysian astronaut. How do you transfer these people to space?
By rocket.
Alright, good. Now, this is a rocket.
Okay.
It's one of the spacecraft. Okay. Now, what type of rocket that is the most biggest that we have invented in this world?
I don't know.
Saturn V. Saturn V is the most biggest rocket in the world. Now, what are the functions?
To fly to the space.
What else? Does it transfer people?
Yes.
As well as things. Okay? And also, rocket also sends rescue team for people that, for example, if they are having an emergency, so they will send people through the rocket. Okay. The next thing, okay, now we're going to learn about what type of things that rocket send to the space. Okay, the first thing, what is this?
Telescope.
Space?
Space telescope.
Yeah, that's very good. Okay, what is the function of space telescope? Takes photos of space. Okay, now, what is the purpose of taking photos of space?
You see the progress.
Yes, very good, Adina. Okay. Now, the length of this space telescope is much bigger than a school bus, and the weight is more than 2 big elephants. That's how much they weigh. Okay, for example, from home to your school, it takes about maybe around 30 minutes. For example, it's 6 kilometers, so it takes about 30 minutes. So this space telescope, it travels about 5 miles. 5 miles per second. So that is equivalent into 5-6 kilometers per second. For example, if they travel in this place, it takes about 10 minutes to arrive to school from home. Okay. The second thing that the rocket launch is
Space station.
okay, very good. The space station. When was the first space station invented?
1990.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, does anyone know that the space station orbits around the Earth? So it orbits around the Earth because the astronaut lives there. Now, it is made out of many pieces. Like every year, they will bring bits of pieces and they will connect it together. Okay. Now, does anyone know that this space station is big as a house and has 5 bedrooms inside it for an astronaut to live? Did you know that Earth and Moon is also a satellite? It is made of natural satellite. Why? Because the Earth orbits around the Sun. So it will be like a natural satellite. And also, the Earth and the Moon will orbit around the Earth. Yes. And also, there is the machine satellite. This one. Machine satellite will orbit around the Earth. Okay, very good. What is the function of satellite? Okay, send signals to light.
For our phone.
For our we have learned today. Okay. Okay, why is it so special?
The fastest astronaut
To arrive
at the moon.
to arrive in space
Oh,
for about 23
days.
Okay, now the next person, who is this?
Asian Java.
Sheikh Mustafa. Okay. Why is he so special?
He's a Malaysian astronaut.
Yes, the first Malaysian astronaut. Okay. Now what is this?
Rocket.
Okay, what's the function of rocket?
Transfer astronaut.
What else?
Like
Transfer things.
transfer things to space.
Yes, very good. Okay, now, the next thing.
Telescope.
Space telescope. Okay, what is the function of space telescope? Takes photos. Okay. What is the most famous telescope?
Hubble telescope.
Hubble telescope. Okay, very good. Now, the length of the telescope is the same length.
The bus.
Yes, it's school bus. And the weight?
2 elephants.
Alright, very good. Okay, the next one is what is it? Space station. Okay, what is the function of space station?
Astronaut is there.
Okay, very good. Now, the space station orbits around
The Earth.
the Earth. Okay, very good. Okay, the last one